Hi, my name is Darla Ahrens, and I'm the Division Manager for Boulder County's Resource Conservation Division, where we strive to lead and promote actions that will help Boulder County reach its zero waste goal. Our mission is to provide convenient and cost-effective facilities and programs that will help Boulder County reduce waste, conserve resources, and protect the environment. One of those facilities that we manage is the Boulder County Recycling Center, where we process over 60,000 tons of recyclable material every year. Today, I've invited a few of our managers to talk about some of those programs and services that help make living and working in Boulder County more sustainable.
Hello, I'm Cody Lilstrom, Zero Waste Program Manager with Boulder County. I oversee all zero waste activities within the county, including our internal zero waste program, our mountain waste transfer stations, where we diverted 45% of the materials that came through our gates in 2019, including styrofoam, mattresses, appliances with CFCs, and 54 tons of compostable material. Our community recycling drop-off centers, where we recycled 1,400 tons of material, including enough cardboard to save 19,000 trees, and we're able to offer this service free of charge to the public. Our community spring cleanup events, where we offer our unincorporated and mountain-dwelling residents the opportunity to recycle hard-to-recycle materials free of charge. In 2019, we recycled 59 tons of hard-to-recycle material through these events, and our hauler licensing program, where we collect data from all licensed haulers throughout the county. This is important in knowing our waste shed and having consistent data year over year, which helps policymakers and other leaders make well-informed and smart decisions. I'm incredibly proud of the work that we get to do for Boulder County in the Resource Conservation Division.
Hi, I'm Lindsay Weber, and I manage the internal zero waste programming for Boulder County, where the diversion rate is 65%. We recycle all kinds of materials from single stream to electronics and even now PPE. Our departments recycle materials specific to what they do, such as the DMV recycles their old license plates, and the transportation department recycles their old tires, motor oil, and antifreeze. We also collect different streams like compostable materials, wood waste, and medical waste so that we can divert those from the landfill as well. And our county has very strong zero waste policy that sets it as a guiding principle for all that we do and requires annual training of employees. And this is a very collaborative effort, and it takes everyone, and we're really thankful for our custodial staff and our passionate employees.
Hi, I'm Kennedy Roddy, Education and Outreach Specialist for the Boulder County Resource Conservation Division. The annual Boulder County Fair attracts over 160,000 attendees to a 10-day event every year. Since 2006, the Resource Conservation Division has managed the Boulder County Fair as a zero waste event, which has been a collaborative effort between the Boulder County Parks and Open Space Department, the CSU Extension Office, and the Boulder County Fair Board. In 2019, RCD achieved the greatest level of waste diversion at the Boulder County Fair, which was 49%. Since 2008, RCD has promoted and launched educational campaigns to bring awareness about the zero waste services in the community. In 2019, the Battery Safety Campaign was launched to bring awareness to the safety of properly disposing of batteries. As a result of campaign efforts, over 57,000 pounds of batteries were collected at the Hazardous Materials Management Facility, which was a 215% increase in collections compared to 2018. Other ongoing educational programs include self-guided and guided tours of the Boulder County Recycling Center, seasonal compost workshops, extensive online educational resources, and annual America Recycles Day events.
Hi, I'm Shelley Fuller, Hazardous Materials Program Manager. The Boulder County Hazardous Materials Management Program has been a valued service to our community since the 90s. We serve customers and collect hazardous materials 4 days a week and small businesses 1 day a week. Our popular free reuse program allows customers to take unused products such as paints and cleaners to be used for their intended purpose. Boulder County partners with 7 other communities to form an intergovernmental agreement which funds our program based off of community participation and the average cost per household is $35. In 2019, we served over 20,000 households and collected over 1.1 million pounds of waste. We are proud to have diverted 98% of our materials, and of that, 56% was recycled. Our most popular waste stream is latex paint, which is recycled locally in Denver, and we've also partnered with the public health and local school district to safely collect and dispose of vaping devices.
Boulder County believes in walking our talk, as you may have just noticed from all the awesome programs and services that you just heard about. We've been identified to have the highest community diversion rate in all of Colorado. We are so proud of how far we have come and look forward to achieving our zero waste goal together with you.